said a DJ sits. I am Jihad. Let's go. So clean, she's so bad, super bad. She got that.
Morning, guys. So I'm going for a bike ride with my 12-year-old soul self. So, good morning. Workout number 2. Already got my bike ride in. What can Brown do for you? Slow up my ride. Come on, UPS, move. Mary looks like a striped candy cane today with a pinch of cinnamon. For real though.
I'm gonna be warm today, so I don't want to hear the hating today.
So am I. Pink sweatpants. What you gonna do?
Just 'cause you
Who's this? Why'd someone roll tide pulled up? Ain't nobody want anyone here while I'm working out. I got excited when this guy was leaving. Struggle. I hate working out with people.
You must be training him.
This is what our tax dollars are going to. Somebody needs to. Oh, hell no. Not with these kicks. Really that tired? You tired? Never enough sleep.
Are you excited, Will? We're about to be there.
Yeah, I just want to get out of this car.
Hold my hand.
Get off!
So we're back at Sky Zone. Can't wait to jump. So fun. Had a bike ride this morning. Successful. It was cold. And then for a run with Maya. So it's a really good morning.
Where's your other shoe? Go get it.
I love Sky Zone. Sky Zone, in case you're watching again, you should totally give me like free passes for everyone because I'm always filming and like pumping it up, you know? I love this place. Ooh, go Mary! Fail. Kill it! Ooh! Get sour!
I like coming here later.
What do you have to say about getting out?
Catch a ball!
My boy Will was the first one out, but we will recover. Mary's still in.
Catch a ball!
Jaden! No! Yes!
Catch a ball!
Let's go so fast.
Yeah, I was thinking that.
Oh! Nicholas, which way is it? This way? That way?
Yeah.
On the knee.
Hey, you're out. You're out. You're out. You dropped it. My quad. You dropped the ball. My quad, you dropped the ball.
Mary's going. She front flipped. Mary! Chipotle!
Oh my god!
I love Chipotle.
Chipotle.
Hey!
Chipotle.
Breaking my virginity.
What are you doing?
Just go.
Go straight.
Go.
First for everything.
Don't park yet. Just keep going.
Chipotle. Time to pop.
I'll even get you a cut.
Time to pop my cherry.
This better be good.
Like a pig. Yeah, it's too fresh.
It's too fast. I had to stop. That's true. You don't have all the time.
Too fresh.
Gotcha.
It's too fresh.
Okay, wait.
Nick, will you give me a cut?
Hickeys? I guess you.
New generation.
Okay. I guess you shouldn't call it. Okay, well, don't call it Hickeys then. Just call it Hickeys.
Don't call it Hiccups Hickeys.
Okay, Hiccups.
I got the
Never heard that in my life till now.
Oh my
Not
God.
kidding, I've never heard it of
You'll know when you're older.
Maybe you'll get one of those behind the bush.
Hiccups. What'd you say?
Maybe you'll get one of those behind the bush.
You really don't. you take a picture with the cake.
Um,
Look at it.
well, I was gonna ask Corey.
Yeah.